right, Ben, come on. Come show Mama your thing.
I'm going to tag you!
Oh, wait. Let's take a movie of the rainbow.
Hold your pants! Don't hold your pants!
Okay, Ben, go for it.
Go! I do one.
Just run in the driveway, Ben.
Run right here.
Pokey!
Ben, come run in the driveway.
Benjamin. Right here.
Right here is the driveway.
I'm going to tag you!
You better run.
His britches are a wee bit big. Tidy whities! Ah! Are those Bubba's old shorts or those your new ones? What are you doing over there, mister? Don't you be scratching the back of my truck now. You did it the other day, didn't you? With the rock? Jacob?
Yeah?
You scratched it with the rock the other day, didn't you?
Ow!
You know what I'm talking about.
No, I'm not. I don't.
Don't throw rocks, Ben. Right here, Jacob.
Why are you recording that, Mom?
I'm just recording, I don't know.
Ah! I did not do that.
Okay. Don't throw the rocks at us, though.